Hello, welcome to our new career track, Become a Data Scientist. Now, since you have landed on this page, your first question should be, what is data science? Well, it's a science to make sense of unstructured information. It is estimated that close to 80% of the data collected by the organization is unstructured. On top of this, the volume and the frequency is mind-boggling. So you have to become a detective using that data and build algorithms that optimize human decisions. This course is for anybody who wishes to make his career in machine learning and deep learning. You don't have to be a graduate of mathematics or science or statistics. You don't need a prior background in programming. You just have to have the curiosity and enthusiasm. Before I talk about the details of this course, you'll be amazed to find out that the world's top tech companies are looking for candidates like you who know about the specific pieces of technology. This is Google. Next, Facebook. They are looking for candidates who can build and maintain data-driven optimization models, experiments, forecasting, algorithms, and much more. The average salary for entry-level candidates starts at $90,000, and for mid-level, it starts at $110,000 per year. Keeping all of the industry requirements in mind, we have developed this course with three major parts. 1. Python programming and the data handling. 2. Machine learning with Python. And 3. Deep learning with TensorFlow and Keras, the cutting-edge technology. In fact, Keras is a high-level neural API capable of running on top of TensorFlow, Django, and SNDK. It enables fast experimentation through a high-level, user-friendly, modular, and extensible API. In short, it's an interface that wraps multiple other frameworks. In this course, you get 15 hours of videos, 15 hours of practice assignments, 300 plus lessons, and 30 assignments for practicing real-life examples. And most importantly, do you know why this course is so beautiful? It has been prepared by practitioner Venkat Reddy. He is a professional data science and deep learning trainer, author of the book Practical Business Analytics using SAS or SAS, huge experience in credit risk modeling, market response model building, social media analytics, revenue forecasting, and machine learning. He has completed his post-graduation in applied statistics and informatics from IIT Bombay. So with 9 years of experience as a data scientist and 5 years of experience as a corporate trainer, you are in good hands. So what are you waiting for? See you in the course.